Hello everyone! Welcome to Crafty Guide, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install Mingw using MSYS on Windows. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now first here we need to install MSYS. So to do that we'll go to Visual Studio Code Docs. Over here I'll just search that. Click on the first link here, documentation for Visual Studio Code, and then go to Docs and click here on C++, and here on C++ click on GCC for Windows. Can you see it? GCC for Windows over here. Look at my pointer. Click that, and then scroll down. You'll see this installing Mingw W64 toolchain. Click on the first blue text MSYS. Click on it. It will take you to this website, and go to scroll down, and here you'll see installation, and then you'll see the link over here. Click it and download. Now as you can see, this is downloading. Once it downloads, we'll install it. Install it like any other software. Next. Next and next. Installing. I'll come back to you after it's installed. Okay guys, now I've installed it. Now I will check this box and click on finish. Okay, now the shell has opened. For convenience, I'll just pin to taskbar here, and now here I'll paste a command. I'll paste this command here. Paste. Now this is the command we'll be using to install Mingw. You can find this command over here, and you can also, and I'll also leave this in the description. Now we'll just paste it in and press enter. Now let's wait. And we just do this. We just press enter. We won't click any number over there because default is enter. Now we will choose Y over here, and now I'll start installing. I'll see you after it's installed. Okay guys, now my Mingw is installed. Now as you can see, it took, you cannot see, I'm just telling you, it took me about 7 minutes for this to install. In your computer it may take more or less time depending how good it is, how fast your internet is. Now let's add your Mingw to path. Now this is important because then you will be able to access GCC and G++ without always pasting in the directory of it. Like you can just say GCC and then plus. You don't need to write C : MSYS / bin.gcc.exe You don't need to write that every time. It's on the path. So now let's do that. But before we move on, if you like my videos, please smash the like button to show that you are liking my videos, because it really motivates me to post more. Now I hope you'll do that if you like my videos. Now let's do the path thingy. Now type in your search box environment variables. click on edit system environment variables. Environment variables. Go to the system variables and path. Click on edit, and then let me just copy the path. Go to your docs in Visual Studio. Go down. Go to the 7th step. You'll see this path. C:\msys64 Mingw Bing. So that's the path we need to add. Add the path. Now I'll put this in the description as well, of course. So I'll just copy that and go here. Click on new and paste my path. Enter. Okay. Now our Mingw has been added to path. Now we can access GCC and G++ and all that. Now let's just test it using this over here. So okay, so I can type GCC --version. It's working, it's there. G++ --version. It's there. And GDB --version. It's there. Now you also run these 3 commands to check if your Mingw is added to path. If this throws an error, then your Mingw is not added to path. So please rewatch the video, and you might have done something wrong. I'm not blaming you. I'm just stating a possibility. Now you can also test it like this, and it will give an error, fatal error, no input files. You can test your Mingw like this also, but if it throws an error like this, then that means your Mingw is not installed and added to path. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like the video if you like it, dislike the video if you dislike my videos, and comment your suggestions and opinions about this video in the comment section, and share it to other friends also if you like it. See you soon. Bye bye.